How to fix Instagram can't flow in less than 1 minute. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. Just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram, go to the storage, click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details and disabled power consumption alert. Click on force stop right here and then re-enable the power consumption alert. Go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless and networks, click on Wi-Fi if you have the Wi-Fi, disable it and wait a few seconds, then enable it again. That's it guys, now reopen Instagram and congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you very much for watching the video.